Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch off your Redmi 13. To switch off your Redmi 13, you want to enter the power menu. You can do so in two ways. First is press and hold the power button until the power menu shows up, or press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now to power off, simply drag the little slider in the middle up top and release. Your phone has now been powered off. If you want to power it back on, you simply press and hold the power button until you feel a vibration, which might take a while. Oh, right there. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.